Hello friends, today I am here to share about International Translation Day. International Translation Day is celebrated every year on September 30th. It is a day meant as an opportunity to pay tribute to the work of language professionals which plays an important role in bringing nations together, facilitating dialogue, understanding and cooperation, contributing to development and strengthening world peace and security. Now let's get to know about this International Translation Day, the significance of this day, the little history behind this, and also how do we celebrate it. Now let's get started. Now let's get to know about this International Translation Day. International Translation Day provides a great opportunity to spotlight the important work of translators, interpreters, and others in the language service industry. Transposition of a literary or scientific work, including technical work from one language into another language, professional translation, including translation proper, interpretation, and terminology, is indispensable to preserving clarity, a positive climate, and protectiveness in international public discourse and interpersonal communication. Now let's get to know about the significance of having this International Translation Day. Now, moving on to the significance of this International Translation Day. The translator and interpreter are two professions dedicated to one goal, that is facilitating communication between people. Both interpreters and translators are at the junction point that impacts the development of business, science, medicine, technology, international law, politics, and a host of other areas. This will provide the ability for each of these in the world to learn from each other to benefit of the society as a whole. Therefore, International Translation Day highlights the role of translation to encourage the profession, which helps in promoting an understanding of intangible cultural heritage and mutual respect in our changing world. Now let's get to know about the history behind this International Translation Day. Now, moving on to the little history behind this International Translation Day. International Translation Day was established by International Federation of Translators. It was on 24 May 2017, the General Assembly adopted a resolution to proclaim 30th September as International Translation Day after considering the role of professionals in connecting nations and fostering peace, understanding and development. 30th September was chosen because this date celebrates the feast of Saint Jerome, the Bible translator who is considered the patron saint of translators. Now let's get to know about the celebration of this International Translation Day. Now moving on to the celebration of this International Translation Day. International Translation Day is celebrated annually to pay tribute to the work of translators and the interpreters who break down the language barriers to make the world slightly a smaller place. The work of translators is seen as being of growing importance due to growing opportunities for international travel and globalization of trade markets. The event is marked with a series of dedicated events, seminars, and symposium across the world. So I hope you enjoyed knowing about this International Translation Day, the significance of having International Translation Day, the little history, and also about the celebration of this International Translation Day. So thank you all for watching. If you like my video, kindly like, comment, share and subscribe for more videos.
Thank you.